top of the morning, guys. Guess where we made it to? Volcano Bay, y'all. You got several lines up here already. We're gonna make it in. Obviously, you can't record, you know, videotape on any rides, but I brought the chest harness for the lazy river, so you're ready to see all that here in a little bit. But I'm gonna walk around with the camera and just kind of do a little sightseeing and stuff like that. So stay tuned, man.
To the far right. We got the kids' headphones, we got your sunscreen, and we got your hand sanitizer.
That's what Meemaw said I sound like when I snore at night. Rude.
You do.
Look, she nodded her head. She was like, yeah, he does.
Crystal, go ahead and place your finger on the scanner. Squeeze down just right.
There it goes. Ooh, yes, it's official.
Go ahead and place your finger on the scanner. Perfect.
First try, guy. Yeah, buddy. Got that boy strapped in, ready to go.
Have you been here before?
Yeah, we've been here once before, but we haven't had the cabana yet.
Yeah, in your cabana, you're gonna have your own server there.
Yeah,
If
that's
you
awesome.
need any drink, food, more towels, whatever you need, you just
Okay.
ask for it.
Right on.
And also, you're gonna have a tablet there.
Okay,
You can see the wait time for the attractions.
okay.
And you wanna pick a ride from there, you can do it. Just use your tapu.
Oh, got
And
it.
you're gonna get in line from there.
Sweet, that's
Yeah,
awesome.
the best.
That's awesome. That's even better.
Yeah. And let's see if you are in line for Krakatau
Uh-huh.
and you wanna go to another attraction. It's no wait time. You can do it. You
Wow.
won't lose your time and.
Gotcha. Being right next to the volcano is definitely different than seeing it out on the street. Nakupuhi roundabout. This little hidden entrance back here. Look, we got a little sand, a little beach.
Upstairs.
This one up here? Ah, we get the one up there. Ooh, yes.
Towels here.
Okay, towels.
This is your locker.
Okay.
You have here water.
Mm-hmm.
If you need assistance,
Okay.
we have this QR code right here. Scan this. And
Okay.
also we have the flag.
Oh, you just put your flag up?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll come to you, okay?
Okay.
We also have here time control, music. And
Okay.
this is the tower that was
Yeah.
that told you.
Uh-huh.
You want to pick a ride,
Mhm.
just select. And you're going to see all the wait time.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Just select the one that you want, and each of you that want to ride that,
Mhm.
just hit the tap, okay?
Okay.
You also see here the menu, drink, food, and the map.
All right, guys, about to get on the fast-moving lazy river. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Got my little vest on. This thing would be cool if it decided to blow up already. All right, let's get in traffic. Here it comes. It's making those noises. That means it's coming. The wave's coming. I'm sure you're down there to see it. Here comes the wave. Here comes the wave. Yeah! Hey!
And then where that water came out went right up my nose. I'm still struggling.
He just hit me right in the nose as well just now as you were saying it. Just gonna cruise it again. There he goes. There goes the geyser. Oh, I missed it. Hey, let another one go. Just missed it. Whew. Cheese. Yeah. Hey, look, the lazy river. Here comes the wave. Did it take you? Oh.
Oh, camera!
We need to see your insurance, sir.
Later that same evening.
Whoa. Careful. Alright, we're here at Disney Springs. Straight after the park. Went back to the room, showered, got changed. Both wearing, we're twinning, wearing some Incredibles gear. Merch. We're in this park. Coca-Cola, Planet Hollywood. We're trying to make it over to Wine Bar George to go have dinner. And then it's about to be 5:20. So what to do between now and our dinner reservation? Whatever we want to do. Yeah, I parked way out in BFE, level 3 orange lot, way before the stairs to entrance. I should have known better, but you know, I only come here oh so often, which I'd love to be here all the time. I feel at home here in the Florida, you know what I'm saying? All right, we finally made it to Wine Bar George. We had a dinner reservation at 7 o'clock, but the guys in there told us that they pushed it back a little bit. So we went walking around, and we got this here bag. We're waiting all season for this right here. We got like 3 of the best goodies in there. She also walked out with a glass of bubbly. Alright guys, we're at our table here at Wine Bar George. Crystal and I got some bubbly. They sat us right here at this nice table. Had the view of the sunset. I didn't record any of it, but if you look up right up on top of the window right there, the balloon is going on, and then we got the bottle service right here, provided by yours truly, Mr. Goto. Nothing too crazy. We're trying to sleep good tonight. We're trying to wake up extra early tomorrow, hit the parks extra early, and do all that good stuff there. So I'm going to show you what you're going to get, and then that'll be the nightcap. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see real well, but our food just got here. I've been picking at this. That's the meatballs and polenta. Here's our Iberico pork pluma. And I already ate half of that little mac and cheese ball. We're about to dig in. So be hungry, guys.